Okay guys, so if you haven't watched my basically the last two videos, I will link them down below. But basically we are having a boy, which is so exciting. We totally thought we were having a girl. Just because the old wives' tales were so true with Elizabeth, and everything's been the same except my nausea was worse this time around and so unpredictable. But I feel like this baby already has a personality of its own. I guess Elizabeth did too. But I can say I'm so used to seeing it now. He is so active, and I don't know, man. He gave me so much nausea in the first trimester, and he was all over the place. But yeah. So anywho, I went to our local baby boutique, and they had gender reveal poppers, which I'm so excited. And then I also got a couple more goodies that I'm going to share with you guys. So, yeah. And then I'm just stopping at Tim Hortons, going to the bank. And 1 second. I'll be with you guys in a sec. Oh, okay. We're good. I can tell you guys. And then I'm going to pick up some newborn baby boy clothes that somebody's selling off Facebook Marketplace. And then I'll share with you guys my plan on what I'm doing with that. And, yeah. Okay. 1 second. Alrighty, so we are in Richard's car. So anywho, if you haven't noticed, we're in Richard's car. So if it looks a little funny, that's why. Oh, should I get my mom and dad like a blue treat? Like, oh, I don't know. But I feel like they wouldn't have blue. They probably don't have blue desserts. That is an option. I think I'll still stick to the candies. But I would love to put it in a box and just say Elizabeth made you a craft. I think that's what I'm going to do. I need to find a box that like opens with a lid. I thought I was done. And I looked down. We got ourselves another bag. I was also hoping maybe there might be like something that has to do with little brother. As I know she has 2 older girls, that I could use as like a gender reveal. So, okay. So in this one, we have this alien 3-month little footy pajamas. So cute. They have like monsters on them, aliens. So cute. We have this one that has little chicks or something. Oh, that'd be so cute for Easter. But he's supposed to be coming a week after. I will see. He's due April 15th. Or 2 weeks after. Like, my plan is to work till Good Friday. Like, all Thursday would be my last day. These ones have more, like, zoo animals. I think this is newborn. This looks so small. Yeah, newborn. This is absolutely adorable. This is 0 to 3 months. Little onesie. This is 3 months. It's just like a yellow with a giraffe. This one feels nice and soft. So this is something I would definitely bring to the hospital. Oh. So we have this one. And then we have this one with a little puppy on it. This one's probably 0 to 3 is my guess. 3 months. Little that. Also too, like, I feel like with Elizabeth, I was able to kind of guess because we were having so many ultrasounds, so there was a rough idea of what she was gonna weigh. I could have a 10-pound baby, who knows? I hope not, but it's so hard to say, right? This is another one, 3 months. We have this one that's just a blue. Does this say anything? This must be newborn. It says 6 to 9 months. Oh, it just seems so tiny. And then we have this one that just says boo, ba, oh, ba, ba. Wow, I can't read. And this one is 0 to 3 months. And last but not least, we have this one. It's 6 to 12 months. Super cute. Okay. now we are done. I will see you guys in my next video, and stay tuned because there's gonna be lots of baby stuff coming your way. Alrighty, so it is December 1st. We have found out we are having a boy, which is crazy. Elizabeth still thinks the baby is not getting this room, so we shall see. But basically what I'm doing is going through everything that I don't want to donate, so sentimental things, that I will keep, for Elizabeth if she ever has kids one day or something, but I want to keep that stuff as an option. Elizabeth is emptying her toys into here. I've also gone through stuff, and this is stuff for sure I'm donating, selling something, and then I have a pile for my friend that for sure I want to give her in case she ever has a girl. This, we barely have any boy / gender neutral stuff, but this is something my mother-in-law got Elizabeth, but it was like warm out here. You want it? It was here, you pull. It's like newborn 5 to 8 pounds. Oh, here, let me fix that. Or did you break that? So she never got to wear it because she was born in May, and it was just too warm for her. Sometimes, I think she might have worn it once. Oh, Elizabeth, I think you broke this. Yeah, there goes that hanger. What was I gonna say? So I thought that would be nice for baby. No, because you broke the last one. I'll give you a plastic hanger. Anywho, so do you still want a hanger? Okay. So when I went to Marshall's, I think it was, I picked up these felt hangers. I really like them for keeping things on. You want, yeah, I know, here. She's been liking putting the newborn stuff on her babies. But anywho, so basically what I did was I went through everything that I had that was like gender neutral, which I really don't have anything. No, you just need one hanger. And then I made a separate drawer for basically all the stuff I already have that's boy stuff. I'm starting a collection. I've moved out Elizabeth's stuffed animal bin, and I put that in her big girl room. And then Richard is going to hang all this stuff up in Elizabeth's big girl room next week. And did I say that? The cloud, I will sell. This I'm gonna sell her owl lamp. It was just for decor. The We Wish I Made It True will sell. I'll try to sell it as a bundle. The love sign I will sell, but this, it says her name on it. Where is it? Right there, the ballerina. That's gonna go in her bigger room. The camera will stay in here. I will most likely put this frame, this twinkle little star. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in her new room or in her memory box. I'm not really sure. And I think that's it. Everything else I'm gonna sell. That owl I would love to keep right here, but it like goes with the set, so I don't think I'm going to. You want your owl? Okay. I didn't do it. Okay. Okay. Where can I put you guys? My arm is getting heavy. I'll make it quick. I also want to sell the pink tote bins. There's 3 of them. Or I'll move them into Elizabeth's room. I might even just do that for like storage or whatever. And then I'll keep the gray ones. And then I want to do like a navy blue one. And then I still want to keep like the woodland theme with like forest animals and stuff. That has to stay up there because that's heavy. But here's your owl. You gonna give Owl a big hug? Aww. So that's gonna go. Her bookshelf is gonna go. I'll sell that. And her nightstand table I might put in her, not nightstand table here. I'm gonna flip the camera. I think that's everything for the update. I've also given this room a vacuum. And then probably, I don't know, the next time I have free time, I'll probably No, not free time. I'll wait until my vacation in December. I guess it is December, crazy, at the end of December. I've already gave it a good mop, but like I want to give it a deep clean. I want to, hopefully that week I can do the nursery, but I want to like wipe down baseboards and just give it a nice, good clean. That's for when you used to wear diapers. Yeah. It's a little red right here. But yeah, I'll give it like a good mop. I want to wipe the baseboards down. I want Richard to touch up some paint. I don't know if you can see. I want to touch up that. But we painted this room gray. So if we ever had a boy the next time around, we would do like navy blue accents. And then I want to dust. I don't know if you can see. That needs a good dusting. And yeah, and then yeah, I'm super excited to get boy furniture. I'll probably wait till next week. I feel like if it's serious enough that they'll call me with my anatomy results or something in a couple days if it's something serious. If not, I feel like she'll just give me everything when I go mid-December for my appointment. So I think that's in 2 weeks. It's not next Wednesday, but it's the Wednesday after. It's like in 3 Wednesdays, I guess. So yeah, that's all the update for you I have. And that's about it. Any pink hangers I have in this room, I'll move it to her room. I'm gonna sell all of her girly cloth diapers. I wanna talk to somebody first because she has a little boy that's Elizabeth's age and she's due in March with her second baby. So she's having a girl. I'm gonna try and, those are vitamin D drops. They're probably no good anymore. I should probably get rid of those. Then I'll see if maybe we can swap cloth diapers or sell them to each other or something. And I'll give her all my girl ones. But that's about it. Did I show you my drawer so far? I don't think so. Here, 1 second. A little peek? Okay, fine. So this is basically empty. This is stuff that I know came with a set. So I want to make sure I have it, or I'm pretty sure it did, before trying to sell that. This I need to hot glue back onto the horse. When Elizabeth was younger, she pulled it off, so I need to like hot glue that or whatever. But yeah, this is where I used to keep her socks and stuff. And then down here, this is literally all I have so far. But I just did a haul in my last video if you want to check that out. And this was one of it, so I'm going to put that in here. That's all I've had previously. And then this is all stuff that I don't know if I'm going to give it to somebody, if I'm going to sell it, or what I'm going to do with it. But this is a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. And that's fine. And then this is all stuff too that I had just taken out just to have out. And then I'll put newborn diapers in here. There's all my like cloth diapers for boy. Whoop. This has toys in it, but I'm gonna move this. That's fine. Thanks for letting me know. Actually, there is two wet bags. These are great, even if you don't do cloth diapers, but if you go swimming a lot or something, the beach, these are great, so you can just put, that's fine. Thank you for letting me know. These are great for putting their wet swimsuits in after, so it doesn't get your bag all wet. And then these are just her extra crib sheets and change pad sheets, and then this was her like mattress protector. So yeah, that is that. Okay, this is easier. Lamp is staying. That I've moved in here. My friend got me that, but it just didn't go with her nursery decor. I thought I could use it for if I ever had a boy. And then the table I might put in her room. This is staying. This can go in her room. This I'll sell. This is part of the set, so I will put all these together. And then this didn't come with it, these pieces, but I'm gonna still sell it as a set. And I want to keep these ones, and then I'll probably move these ones in, well, this one in her bigger room, and then I'll sell that. That's a set. This was to hold diapers, but if you ever get one of these, if your nursery set, I put toys in them, and then I give it to them when I change their diaper. This is gonna stay just as like random stuff. And Elizabeth's in big girl underwear, so she doesn't need this stuff. This I'll probably move to the bathroom. because like she can still use that. But yeah.